Okay, so if you want to keep the screen on while you're reading on your Android phone, there's actually a cool little screen attention feature designed just for this. To turn that on, we're going to go to Settings, then Display, and from here, find your screen timeout settings. So first of all, you can of course adjust the screen timeout duration itself, but you'll also see a toggle that says Keep the screen on while viewing. On some phones, this is called Screen Attention or Attentive Display. Different names, but they all do the same thing. Basically what it does is use the front camera of your phone to detect when you're actively looking at your display. So even if your screen timeout is set to something like 15 seconds, and you're still looking at the screen after that 15 seconds has passed, your phone knows it shouldn't turn off the display because it can tell you're actively looking at the screen. Of course, the other option would be to simply increase your screen timeout to something like 5 or 10 minutes. But if you do that, you might want to learn to manually turn off the screen with the physical power button every time you put your phone away, or otherwise, your screen is going to stay on every time you put the phone down, and that'll of course affect your battery life. Anyways, that is how you keep the screen on while reading on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.